Is there a way of bypassing the ad block extensions in browsers?
Not so as an advertiser, I assume you mean there. Not that I'm aware of. So if someone's got an ad blocker which is working effectively and is blocking Google Ads from showing, then there's certainly not any way of making your ad show up, even when no one else's is. There are people who use ad blockers. Equally, if I talk to a room full of people, in fact, I can guarantee by now, if we were doing this in the old-fashioned way in an actual room full of people, somebody would have stuck their hand up by now and said, "That's all very well, but I never click on the ads." There's some people who go out of their way not to click on the ads because I don't know why, they're too clever to be taken in by advertising, or what, I don't know. But the fact is, there's enough people who do click on them. The last figures I saw for this, which are actually probably about 8 or 9 years ago now, Google were making something like 50 odd billion pounds a year from Google Ads. Wow. And of course, they can only do that if someone's clicking on them. So even if you're not clicking, or even if the guy down the road's got an ad blocker, there's enough other people out there who are clicking on them to make it work.